Hi, dancers. All right, we are going to learn cold hard. So let's go step by step. And then we do a little bit of breakdown, and then we put a count in it and have some music. Let's dance. We start with a rocking horse going back. So right foot, you go rock back, point to the front, rock forward, point. Again, rock back, point. We're going to do a half turn, 2 steps. So that's step right, half turn, and then rocks back, point. Okay, you're going to walk, weave, quarter turn to the right. Walk, weave, back, forward, point with the left, weave to the right, forward, then back, cross, point. You're going to step, half turn, step and cross, slide to the right, shuffle right forward, rock and cha-cha back. And we're going to start again. So here is on this angle, rock back for 1, toe, rock back for 2, again back, rock. Here's your half turn walk, step left, half turn, step right, rock back with the left, touch, quarter to the right with the weave, steps 1, touch, cross, cross forward, point with the left. You're going to weave forward, then back, point with the right. We're going to do a half turn walk. So forward, half turn step, cross, forward, slide, forward cha-cha, rock and cha-cha back. Do it one more time, rocks back. Rock back 1, rock back again, half turn walk, walk and walk, rock back point, weave to the right, back, forward, point, weave forward, back, point, walking halfway turn to the right, 1 and 2, 3, cross 4, slide to the right, shuffle forward, rock recover, and shuffle back, cha-cha. Here comes with a count. 5, 6, 7, and 8 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7 and 8, back 1, touch 2, weave 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.8 with 1, 2, 3.4, turn 5 and 6, 7, cross 8, slide 1, together, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome.